Hello everyone, this is Hemanth. Welcome back with a new video. In this video, I am going to explore one of the coolest no-code AI tool in which I believe it is far better than other tools like Lovable.dev too. That AI tool is none other than Base44, which is one of the craziest and trending AI tool in nowadays. In this video, I am going to explore how to build web apps and all the user interface of Base44. And finally, the major difference between the other AI tools like Lovable.dev. Watch video till the end. Let's get into the video. For accessing this Base44, simply go to any browser and search for Base44. Click on the first link and then you will be entered into this interface. This is the basic user interface of Base44. Simply click on start building, which is at top corner, and then sign in or sign up. The thing we keep it in mind is for a free version we have limited credits only, so we need to optimize the credits efficiently. For that I will follow one trick. I will go to any AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. I will explain the detailed idea of my app and then ask that AI tool to generate the prompt which will be suitable for Base44. Then the AI tool generates the prompt according to the Base44, which will be helpful to use our credits efficiently and effectively. Simply copy the prompt and then paste it on the Base44. Here there is another feature called add your stylings, which means we can select our app style. Here are some features like material design, like that. Simply select the styling you need and then click on enter. Our app is going to generate. Do you want to see more info about your account? Click on the icon which is at top left corner and then you will be notice the credit section. We will have 5 credits per day for a free account, and also we have 25 monthly credits only. Or else do you want to upgrade your account? Check out the plans there. My suggestion is to always go with the free version. Don't waste our money. Our app is going to create it like this. You can check the all features and then customize your app by using the prompts only. You will notice another option called dashboard. This is a place where you can see your backend of your web application. There are some features like overview. This section tells about details about your app, and the second one is users. How many members are using your app, and the third one is data. It will provide the related data to your app, and the analytics shows how many users used your features in your app, and the fifth one is domains. What domains we have, and the sixth one is security. This section has a security related things, and the seventh one is code. This is the section where you can see your app code. You can check out the code in this place. And the eighth one is agent section. This is the place where you can see your agents, how many agents you have. And the ninth one is log section. It will provide the all login details. And the 10th one is API. How many APIs are used in your web application. And the 11th one is settings. Here you have some options like app settings, app logo, like that. The thing is, in app logo section you can design your own logo by using that built-in AI through prompts only. And also you can add your authentication like Gmail, Google, Facebook, etc. And finally, do you want to publish your app or share to your friends? Simply click on the publish. You can share with your friends by using that link. Copy that link and send to your friends. I know this video is very fast because I just want to explore the basic user interface of Base44 and how to build apps by using this. At starting in this video I said I will show difference between the Lovable.dev and this Base44. The major difference between Lovable.dev and Base44 is the backend. In Lovable.dev we need to connect the backend manually. In their backend is Superbase. It is an external Superbase. We need to connect it by using prompts only. Here there is no problem to connect the backend. There is an inbuilt backend by using dashboard name. Do you want to check out the Lovable.dev? There is a video in my channel. I will provide the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.